The modern farmhouse has evolved beyond its rustic roots, embracing industrial elegance through the bold interplay of steel and stone. No longer confined to traditional wooden structures, today's farmhouses merge raw materials with minimalist design to create homes that are both functional and visually striking. This fusion of strength and simplicity defines a new era of architectural refinement, where industrial grace meets countryside serenity. Steel and stone are more than just materials. They tell a story of resilience and harmony. Steel, with its sleek and structured presence, offers durability and precision, while stone provides an organic contrast, grounding the home in nature. The balance between these two elements creates a timeless aesthetic, where industrial refinement softens into the warmth of rural charm, resulting in homes that are both powerful and poetic. Modern industrial farmhouses celebrate openness. Expansive glass walls framed in steel dissolve boundaries between indoors and outdoors, allowing natural light to flood interior spaces. The strategic use of stone walls, both inside and out, adds texture and warmth, preventing the design from feeling too stark. The result is an uninterrupted flow of space, airy, bright, and inviting, where every element contributes to a sense of balance and clarity. Contrast is at the heart of this design philosophy. Smooth, polished steel beams meet the rugged, imperfect textures of hand-cut stone. Matte black fixtures stand boldly against neutral-toned walls. Cool concrete floors complement the organic warmth of wooden furniture. Each contrast is intentional, creating a refined yet inviting ambience where modern minimalism meets rustic authenticity, crafting a space that feels both contemporary and timeless. Though industrial aesthetics often lean towards stark simplicity, the modern farmhouse introduces warmth through thoughtful details. Soft textiles, natural wood elements, and earthy color palettes counterbalance the structured precision of steel. A well-placed leather sofa, a woven rug, or linen drapes bring a sense of comfort, proving that minimalism doesn't have to feel cold. It can be a canvas for understated luxury and coziness. The heart of the farmhouse remains the kitchen, but with an industrial twist. A central steel-framed island becomes the focal point, topped with sleek stone surfaces. Open shelving, forged from iron and reclaimed wood, displays ceramics and artisanal cookware. Oversized metal pendant lights cast a warm glow over the space, blending functionality with aesthetics. Here, cooking feels like an art form, and the space encourages slow, meaningful gatherings. A steel and stone farmhouse is designed to embrace its natural surroundings. Large pivot doors open to panoramic views of rolling fields or rugged landscapes. Interior gardens or courtyards framed by raw materials bring nature inside, making the home an extension of the land. Whether nestled in the mountains or spread across open plains, these farmhouses redefine the relationship between architecture and the environment. Bedrooms in an industrial modern farmhouse serve as sanctuaries of calm. Clean lines, neutral tones, and textured stone walls create an atmosphere of retreat. A low-profile steel-framed bed, adorned with soft linen, sits under exposed wooden beams, offering a blend of industrial structure and organic softness. Large windows invite morning light, making each day feel like a fresh start in a space that is both minimal and deeply soothing. Beyond aesthetics, the steel and stone farmhouse is built to last. Steel's resistance to corrosion and stone's timeless durability ensure that these homes withstand generations. Large overhangs and thoughtful orientation provide natural climate control, reducing reliance on artificial cooling or heating. This approach to design is not just about visual appeal. It's about creating homes that are as sustainable as they are striking. The industrial modern farmhouse is more than a trend. It is a movement towards intentional, enduring design. By merging the raw power of steel with the organic beauty of stone, these homes redefine rural living with elegance and purpose. They stand as a testament to the harmony between nature and industry, proving that modern architecture can enhance, rather than overpower, the landscapes it inhabits.